Okay, forest adventure explorers. We are going into Mother Nature today to explore a little bit. Hooray, okay. The cryptic path. Let's see what happens. Cryptic, what is here? Ooh. Pine needles. Ooh, breathing in the air. The breeze, so good. Brings me to my knees. I feel that breeze and I smell it in with my senses. Fills my lungs up aplenty. Thank you, nature. Thank you, nature. Let's look a little closer at nature here. Look at here. What is this? What am I kinning here? I smell it. Interesting. Let's inspect it a little closer. It's nature. It's nature. Kin it. You gotta kin to understand. It's not all planned. It's not all planned. Kin it. I'm kinning all kinds of things in nature today. I'm just gonna open my arms and say thank you, Mother Nature. That feels good. Okay, thank you. Thank you guys. Yeah, it's okay to play in Mother Nature and kin stuff. Kin stuff. Look into stuff. And you will kin all kinds of stuff. You will kin all kinds of stuff. I'm just going to show a little more. Let's look at the floor. Wow. Look at that. How is that just so trippy? It's just looking at things closely and in a different way. And it's so enjoyable to play, isn't it, guys? Like, pretty cool, right? Look at this. It's Mother Nature. Woo, what do we got? What do we got? Some little creatures in here, maybe? You never know. Thank you, guys. It's the Cryptic Show. Thank you guys for enjoying the Cryptic Show. Okay. We can always play in nature and kin things. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Enjoy going into nature and exploring. Thank you. I'm telling you, it's never boring. All right. Thank you, guys. Beautiful. Thank you guys for enjoying adventuring down the cryptic path with me. It's okay to get fun and be playfully, a little crazily, happily connected to reality and nature aplenty. Yay. Anyways, like, subscribe, comment for more adventures down the cryptic path with me. Let's keep playing, guys. Yeah. All right, bye-bye.